Again, good morning, dear friends. Welcome in Eco classes of SKPPOs. Dear friends, BST for you that it was a new concept for you, new subject for you. But economics, I think that is a not new subject for you because in the ninth class and the 10th class already you have studied in the both classes. But again, let's see what will we do in the economics in the 11th class. Let's see the some basic concept I would like to share first of all you the with the economics. The first point, economics is derived of Latin two words. Economics is derived of the from the Latin words of the two Latin words. One is oikos and one is a nimi. Economics is taken from the Latin words. There are the two. One is oikos and one is a nimi. Oikos mean house, a house. Oikos mean a house, and the nimi mean to manage. To manage. So now it's that word comprises here household management. Household management. Again, see that the term of economics has derived or taken from the Latin words of the one is oikos and one is nimi. The one oikos mean house and that nimi mean to manage. It comprises the word meaning of economics is to household management. Household management. In the past time, economics was used in the 1776 by the Adam Smith at a limited level. Then it was considered only up to that household management, but now at the present time it has wider concept. It has become wider meaning. It's a not only household management but it's become economy management. It's become economy management. So now at the present time economics is utilized and the use at a wider concept in that all economies in the all countries as a economic management. In 11th class economics that divided into two category. The one is the statistics. The one part is statistics and the one part is here microeconomics. Microeconomics. There are the two books we will be studying throughout the year. One is statistics and one is microeconomics. And then second part of the macro and the economic development we will be studying in the class of 12th. So there are two major books we will be studying throughout the year in the class of the 11th. The first book is statistics and the second book is microeconomics. There are the two books. So which book that we have need to study before the statistics, because you already familiar the some mean, median, standard deviation and MD, correlation, regression, like that. You know, table also, mean also, and mathematical average also. To show that we are going to start today the first the statistics book, then after we will be start the second book of a microeconomics. So let's see some basic concept about again the statistics. Statistics just is a part of economics. It is a part, one part of economics. The one part is microeconomics. The one part of statistics. Let's see. What do you mean by the statistics in a common person can be understood as a regard as a data. Statistics mean as data. Statistics means as data. The some person consider the statistics is a facts or measurement. Some people say that statistics is a depend on facts or measurement. Facts or measurement. Some people say that statistics is the study of figure. Some people say that statistics is the study of figures. There are the three meaning comprises by the different person, different quotation, different definition given by the different people. The some say that as a data we can be used of statistics. Some people say that it's a fact of measurement. It's a fact of measurement. Some people say that it is a study of a figure, of numerical figure. Then this type of the study we can come in the category, or we can say statistics. So let's say statistics defined in the three way. But again it's a categorized. Again it's a that they classified here in the two meaning. One is plural sense and one is a singular sense. This is a sense. Some people say that after classified, they again further divided the statistics into two things. One is plural sense and one is a singular sense. One is plural sense, one is a singular sense. What are you doing? We are doing the economics, the one part of a statistics. In the first lecture of in the commerce, in the 11th class, we are going to study the first that are subject of economics. In that, economics is comprises of the two word oikos. One is nimin. Oikos mean a house and the nimin mean manage. So it we can say the economics is the household management in the past time, but now it is the economy management. Then remaining concept we will do regarding the microeconomics, in economics definition, types, nature, objective, all point come in the point of in the one books of microeconomics. After that, our economics is divided into two parts. One A part is statistics and the one part is a micro. So now first of all we will do the part of the statistics. How many total chapter is given? 12 chapter, and then micro is also 12 chapter. The first chapter is nature and introduction of a statistics. So we are going to start first meaning of statistics. Then after we will do something. Some people say that statistics as a consider as a data. Some people say that statistics as a fact of measurement, and some people say it's a study of figure of numerical data. Given we that study of figures, study of numerical point of view, that is come in the category of a statistics. Now again in the sense of the statistics further divided into plural sense. One is a singular sense. In the plural sense, it's a just only single word. It means collection of numerical fact. It's a collection of a numerical fact. All the numerical fact, if we study in any books, in any area, like regarding to population, even numerical fact, regarding the survey, that how many that the people below the poverty line, how many the school are going to start, how many children in the school, how many people in the city. This is totally related to the numerical fact. How many people are living in the rural areas, how many people are living in the urban areas, what their living standard, what their age factor. This total that survey we can check. All are example of the collection of numerical fact. How many people are unemployment in the India, how many people in the government organized sector, how many people are in unorganized sector, like this. How many students will appear in the 10th class, how many students will appear in the 12th class, and these all the things when we study regarding the numerical point of view, and collection of this fact is come in the category of a plural sense. All the types of the study, if we will do in the numerical fact, all the complete of the plural sense. Let's see, there's some singular definition after that. Yes, dear students, again the statistics, the meaning, the singular sense. We are doing the sense of statistics in a plural sense or in a singular sense. In a singular sense, statistics start from the first point. From the first point, it's a collection of data. Yes, it's a data. Collection of data is the first point in the definition of statistics as a singular sense. How to collect the collection of data. There are the collection, the first meaning start. and just we assume here we want to calculate total population in the economy. We want to calculate here how many wheat produced in that year, how many rice, how many gram, and we know that how many students are that passed in the 10th class. For that we have need to study first of all collection of data. There are the various methods for the collection of data. These are 5 definitions. The total chapter comprises in the 5 point. The first and second chapter, first is introduction, the second chapter start collection of data. Maybe that one is primary method will become here, the second is secondary method. There are the 2 points will become, this is a chapter second, this is a chapter second. The first is collection of data, second this is a include in the definition of singular sense of statistics, mean the first collection of data. If you want to do study, take care always in economics or in the statistics, we always collect various types of the numerical. What is the purpose? Purpose that we want to that provide one accurate result, or we want to get a conclusion of any report, like is a crime report, how much is crime report is going day by day in Haryana in compared to Punjab or Gujarat or Maharashtra. Oxygen supply is more than in which that state. Oxygen supply also, that COVID cases also, how many COVID cases day by day they increases, or what types of that treatment is going in the hospital. So all things we can be measured in the terms of a numerical. This is come in the category of collection of data. Then after collection of data, the second is very important point. We will do organization. This is a chapter 3rd and 4th. Organization of data, 3rd and 4th chapter we will do organization of data. Mean directly we can't understand the raw material which collected by our that various type of employees, and that enumerator they have collected the data directly, we can't understand. First of all we have need to make in a proper sense, then we can understand. When we make the data in a proper sense, like in a table, in a diagram, this is called the data is an organization of data. In the census method, in the one is a sample method, census method, after collection we will be organize the data. Organization mean here classification of data, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ डाटा. हम डाटा को क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे क्लासिफाइड करेंगे. क्लासिफाइड मीन अकॉर्डिंग टू मेल वाइज, फीमेल वाइज, अकॉर्डिंग टू रूरल वाइज, अकॉर्डिंग टू अर्बन वाइज, अकॉर्डिंग टू एजुकेटेड पीपल, uneducated people, according to class wise. So here we will divide the class of data. This is called the second main point here, organization of data. We are doing here statistics as a singular sense definition. Definition of statistics in the as a singular sense. In the singular sense, directly I can write also, but that I want to explain each and every point. So I'm telling here the first of all the collection of data. And we will use here the two methods, primary method, secondary method. Then after what we do, after collected the data, then we will be organize the data according to class wise. Then and that we have divided the data. Okay, now we will sit in that one conference room and we will check the data. This is called our presentation of data. Third major point here, the presentation of data. Data को present करना. Now with the help of the LCD, with the help of the board, we will be present the data in the three manner. Maybe the textual text, maybe table, or maybe chart, or maybe any diagram. Maybe diagram. So this is the chapter 5th and 6th and 7th. These are the three chapters come in this category. The presentation of data. First collection, then after organize the data, then after present the data. We want to present the data. Why do we want to present the data? Because we want to better understanding of the data. Directly we can't understand. If the data is given in the table, given the raw material, the raw data, not understand. Text, it may be textual. Table, with help of the table we can make the table, then we can understand. Chart, with the help of the page the chart we can understand the table, text, then chart, and then diagram, make the diagram. Like, have you seen that when the cricket match is going, that time the ball, the first ball, the second ball, the third ball, it was the scenario presented by the some channel. So it was the presentation of a data. So first of all, we will prepare collection, then organization of data, then we will present the data in the systematic manner. Everybody can be understand in a good manner. Then after we will take analysis. Analysis means result. We want to get the result. We will apply here the fourth point, various method. Like is a table, we have the data is given. We will apply here the mean method. This is the chapter of 9, 7th, 8 also up to here. The 9 and 10 and 11 chapter. Mean. Then second is a median and the one is a mode. These are the method we will be applying. The chapter first and second, the third and fourth organization, and the presentation of the data 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, that chapter, and the 9, 10, 11, these are come in analysis. Analysis mean with help of the method, with help of the various method, we take the final result. We will take a result, or we will reach on a conclusion that mean that like is a crime, how much crime is going. Then we will that percentage manner in that 27% is greater than from the Punjab. So this is the population is day by day increasing, unemployment is also increasing, poverty line is also increasing, that our income is day by day is decreasing, the real income is day by day decreasing. So we will get the result. We want to get a analysis, we want to get a real meaning. We need to study various method to apply on this textual table and diagram, which mean, median and mode. These are the method in the statistics we will apply on the data. हम data पे apply करेंगे, then we will get the result. And the last is the interpretation. This is the final like a chapter of the 12th, the correlation, the relationship between the two variables and one index number. Interpretation means we will discuss about the result, and then we will see that which type of the action taken by the government to control unemployment, to control poverty, to control crime. So who will give this report? The old statistics department. Give the all this from the starting to the last to the government time to time. Then government initiate, the government launch various type of the scheme to control the crime, to boost the energy of the people, to provide the more COVID means shield or medicine to help the people, like is the oxygen, that collection, organization, analysis, then interpretation, that provide more oxygen. Where is provide, in which state provide, this is with help of the statistics department, with help of all study. And the last point is interpretation, mean that final result, final conclusion. So it was the definition of the singular sense. In the plural sense, we can say that it is just only numerical fact, but singular, it's a comprehensive definition, and that you can check. The first collection, organization, presentation, interpretation, and analysis and interpretation. These are the 5 point. This all the 5 point complete our 12th chapter in the book of statistics. This is the first part of the economics. So dear student, first of all, you just prepare this thing, watch this video again and again, and if you have the doubt, again I will send some notes. You can be prepared in your notebook. Thank you dear students. Bye bye.